Today I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy shrimp fried rice. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today. The amounts of each ingredient can be found in the description below. In a large wok over medium-high heat, add your canola oil and sesame oil. Sauté 1/4 cup of diced onions, then add the mixed vegetables and cook for about 2 minutes or until the vegetables begin to soften. Push the vegetables to one side of the wok, add the eggs to the other side, and cook to scramble, stirring as needed. Add the garlic and ginger and cook for 1 minute while stirring everything together. Add the shrimp, rice, green onions, and evenly drizzle with soy sauce and season with a little black pepper and stir to combine. Cook for about 2 minutes and then enjoy.